Welcome to my channel, Amazon Top Picks. Let me introduce Apple iPhone 12 mini, 64GB, black, unlocked, renewed. Key features of the Apple iPhone 12 mini, 64GB, black, unlocked, renewed. The iPhone 12 mini is a compact powerhouse from 2020, refreshed as a renewed device by Amazon qualified suppliers, inspected, tested, and restored to like-new condition with a 90-day guarantee. It sports a 5.4-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with HDR10, Dolby Vision, and 60 Hz refresh for vibrant visuals in a slim 131.5 x 64.2 x 7.4mm aluminum frame weighing just 135 grams. Powered by the A14 Bionic chip with 4GB RAM, it handles multitasking and light gaming smoothly. Storage is 64GB, expandable via iCloud. Cameras include a dual 12MP rear setup, f1.6 wide, f9.4 ultra wide, with night mode and 4K video, plus a 12MP front for sharp selfies. It supports 5G, MagSafe wireless charging, 50W, IP68 water resistance, and Face ID. Running iOS 18 in 2025, it promises updates through 2027-2028. Pros and cons analysis. Pros. Its pocketable size excels for one-handed use, ideal for portability without bulk. The A14 remains snappy for daily tasks, social media, and photos in 2025. The OLED screen delivers stunning colors and contrast, while the camera rivals larger siblings for low-light prowess. 5G future-proofs it affordably at $140 renewed, with reliable refurbished quality. Cons. Battery life disappoints. Lasting must-see 15 hours video but fading fast with 5G heavy use, often needing midday top-ups. The tiny screen hampers video watching and typing. 64GB fills quickly without microSD. Lacks USB-C sticking to Lightning. Overall, a gem for minimalists valuing compactness over endurance. Skip if battery or screen size matters. Thanks for watching. If you would like to purchase the item, just click the link below. If you enjoy our channel, please subscribe now. You will not miss any future videos.